Make sure the following valves are closed before starting. Then turn on the main power switch. Start the engine. Turn on the control box power and generator. Turn on heating emulsified asphalt and set heating time. Turn on the arrow light power and set the display mode. When pressure meter reading reaches 0.5 megapascal and digital air pressure switch reading reaches above 45, you can start patching. The engine speed can be increased by turning the throttle controller, thereby increasing the air speed for cleaning the area to be repaired and spraying aggregate. Press the button to immediately reduce the wind speed to the minimum. Start aggregate spraying. When the aggregate is not sufficient, turn on the switch of vibrator in aggregate tank, vibrating the aggregate which adhered on the wall to fall into the exit door. Emulsion spray switch. Heat transfer oil start switch. To cope with the normal use of emulsified asphalt in low temperature weather,